Vibes 39. Yeah, guys. Up in the hills, you know, people. Stickers. Yeah, guys. The papa, them, they take time to turn up. They might catch full of the people. Papa, for days, people. We talk about papaya.
When you're royal and clean, your love is so real. I'm only never let you down, always been around. Empress, you always wear the crown. I tell you, say you always so real. Love that I feel, I've never let you down, always been around. You know we give thanks for life and strength, you know. Give
to check you. You don't know say I'm white colors. Are we out here? You don't know out here without fear. Isa, take your time, guys. Tune in, check in, like, subscribe, and watch all our videos there. You see? Send up a subscription, sky high. That is.
Less than trials. I'm more chopper than client. Enough more little people than giant. Yeah. The whole country defiant. People stop you to church just science. Yeah. System never change. You contamination still brings to bed. All I see is pain problems. Many are cause but few are chosen. World is broken, all I see is pain and problems. Many are called, but few are chosen. Remember, Donkey did tell us that the world's on level. God real, obviously there must be a devil. Christians still await for death, but devil confused to some things, still don't know what to tell you. It's life hard, but we still a hold strong. I believe.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, guys, so today we have a visit. Maybe couldn't see what I go and beep. We get a visit. Who is that? Vibes 39. Yeah, guys.
We are at the hills.
Up in the hills, you know, people. Stickers there. Watch out. Yo, sun bunny, me no man. Hatty no man. Man have him back off in short. Yeah, man. He'll hard for climb, people. But stick and stay, watch what go on.
Pastor, you remember to say that? Weird. What's Papa there? Mom, look for Papa.
here, guys. So as you can see, we are take time clean down the place. You see that one Kevin Youngster and the one Nerissa, you know. Papa Wagwan. Papa Koti here. So yeah, Vibes 39 here, guys.
Yeah, man. Big up, QUEENORENTHAvlogs.
Yeah, man.
Check in the kings and queens.
So I take time.
Easy.
You know, babes that go cast the next side of the pig pen. So I go and give you a hand, guys. Yeah, one get out the pig from out there, so guys, cause the pig they too craving.
Yeah.
My eat where the whole of the feeding from the and the other two little one and him jump them already, guys, and they never reach nowhere yet.
No, they never reach yet.
So he both hit to them food and he want to wrap them from them growing stage before time, you know.
If you want to eat the food, I might get big.
Yeah, man. So Vibes are going to help to clear out the whisk them also, guys. So those stickers stay what you are going.
Yeah.
Yeah, people, so me I do me soak it before me actually put it in the concrete, you know. It's a nice soak. Should have clean it out more than that now, people, but a lot of biting ants. So we are planning to use the concrete and get rid of the ants. Oi! Oi! Active out here, peeps, you see it? Yes, no man. Go and put in some work, you see it?
Anything left, you have to use the patch out over there so the other dig out to the mud. And the turbo still, you know.
So basically do like
guys, so as you can see, babes are go do the other side of pen here. I'm gonna run through. Yeah, I'm gonna do that side of pen here so that we can take out the bow hog, put him over here, so guys, cause yeah, the pig them can get for hit. See him. Make sure you know. Watch there. Go there. Grape, see there. See them there, guys. See there, up here, hole him at dig out over here, so we are mud up the whole of the pen, guys, and dig out the whole of the concrete. But in now make the other small one them can't get feed nothing. Because yeah, so I want to put him by himself so he can get the big grain feeding, guys. Yeah, man, and the small one them get the fine grain as usual. Cause we have them pan some growing feeding here now, guys. To them small, yeah. So we have them pan and we have the big. We have put the big one pan big grain, cause we hit enough, guys. And because of that, the small one them now get feed no food, and then them jump them before time, people. Yeah, for the whole long as light last, him a jump up on the pig them. Yeah. So he hard for impregnate them before. Well, I think he can do that because a certain time nowadays they say that can't go at people. Yeah, what stickers stay, guys. Watch what I go on. So babes and vibes now I mix up the material for come down here. So now we see when that I go on, people. More papaya tree here, guys. This one small, this one little people. All papa can stand up and pick. papaya fight. See it there? A young papaya have on people. You see that? Make her as a excuse. You have another one over there, so the guys. We have some banana tree here, so. See, we have some more papaya tree, guys. Couple papaya tree. Well, we have people. Yeah, man. Throat does a scratch me, so. So, them trash, them grass are burn already, you know, guys. Would I like them already, but because of the papaya tree, them we don't want to call up the papaya, them, you can see. So, we have whole heap of coal, the whole heap, see, there's no can see. Whole heap of coal, people. Man.
Send me get real up. You set me real up, man. Camera there and see what go on the cool. I know what I say, my run fam. The one that teach them, one that feed again.
God, they don't know nothing about it.
Watch it. Let's slide.
This stuff all look rich, see them with vibes.
Yeah, this stuff is nice.
You put your finny. So guys, we have lots of papaya coming up in the ground. Papaya. Holy papaya, guys. So we have big one, we have a round one, we have a small one. Look at this here now, guys. Yeah. So yeah, this is one soursop tree now. So we have one soursop here. So fitting up people. Fit it. But it's so fit as you can see, guys. Breeze tear off one side of the other soursop tree, we couldn't see it. That one there and the pear tree one side I tear, but all upon the limb them will tear off a beer blossom depend people. All upon the limb them. I know the place was blessed. Alright, see babe start pop back the coal skill there now. The man is not a big one, it's a small one. My pocket back. Yeah, as you can see that people. You want a close up look, see that? Yeah man. Yeah. So the grass don't grow up back, so you have to spray them. Guys, but anyway you take it, still hard, rough animal alone. Guys, we da from all of them. Go back to the rain fall every day. No easy for him people. Tell you, it's rough. Rain fall up as a half thing, so the grass them will grow back as you can see. fast. Cause sometimes for the whole week rain a fall. But we there still, yeah, as we say. So I back at the fall cub. Here we have, because the rain come in heavy sometimes, so we decided to put zinc on the back part. So when the rain start blow in, because sometimes we come from the side of wicked. That side of people. Half of the sea. So when you come that side of now, this zinc, if you take off some of the pressure for the chicken name, but they are still, guys. Yeah, man. So now I get a little view down there. Ooh, beautiful people, beautiful. Yep. So stick and stay, guys. Watch what I go on.
Babes, look at that. Papaya people. For that we get them from, you know, peeps. Good old papaya, you know. Most of them I can pick and put on the See that face, look. Look at that. Ready like Uncle Freddy. See that tree that we get right here? Look at that. See that tree? That one look like it. Watch out. All of them are fitting and go. Look. Yo, I saw them if you look. Oh, no, I'm fine out. Yeah, maybe. Look, yeah, I see the yellow. So she said them fit. The next one they fit, but it's not the fit line. Look at that peeps. Nice! It's gone to Africa, peeps. Nice! Now if you come back, come to the rest, peeps. Really and truly, have to come back, come to the rest.
Papaya for days, people. They talk about papaya. You know where in the bush also too, guys? Cersei. You talk about Cersei. Holy people. Papa them turn you know. We're gonna get a close up look. See that? Here then turn. Now no time them are ripe because the place kinda hot. So it will ripe fast. Yeah, guys. The papa them they take time to turn up. Them a catch color the people. Yeah, man.